Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to update your LinkedIn profile without notifying your contacts. This is incredibly useful when you want to make changes to your profile privately, whether you're updating your job title, skills, or experience without broadcasting those updates to your entire network. Let's start by opening your browser and heading to linkedin.com. Once you're there, go ahead and log into your account using your credentials. Make sure you're fully signed in before moving to the next step, as you'll need access to your account settings. Once you're logged in and on your LinkedIn homepage, look up at the top of the screen. You'll see your profile picture or icon in the upper right corner. Click on it and a drop-down menu will appear with several options. From this menu, select Settings and Privacy. This is the control center for all your LinkedIn privacy and account preferences. Now you'll be taken to the settings page. On the left side of the screen, you'll see a navigation panel with different categories. Look for the option labeled Visibility and click on it. This section controls who can see your activity and profile changes on LinkedIn, which is exactly what we need to adjust. Once you're in the visibility section, scroll down through the options until you find a heading that says Visibility of your LinkedIn activity. This area contains all the settings related to how your profile updates and activities are shared with your network. Keep scrolling until you locate the specific option we're looking for. You'll find an option that reads Shared Job Changes, Education Changes, and Work Anniversaries from Profile. Click on this option to expand it. This setting is the key to controlling whether LinkedIn automatically notifies your connections when you make significant updates to your profile. When you click on it, you'll see a more detailed view with the label Share Key Profile Updates. Right beside this label, there's a toggle button. This toggle is what determines whether your network gets notified about your profile changes or not. By default, LinkedIn usually has this turned on, meaning your connections are automatically informed of updates. Simply click the toggle button to turn it off. When it's switched off, you'll be able to make updates to your profile, such as changing your job title, adding new positions, updating your education, or modifying your skills without LinkedIn broadcasting these changes to your entire network. This gives you complete control over when and how you want to share your professional updates. And that's it. You've successfully disabled profile update notifications, and you can now make changes to your LinkedIn profile privately. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.